In our previous video, we learned how to find the length of a tangent using the formula d equals square root of x naught squared plus y naught squared plus 2gx naught plus 2fy naught plus c. Today, using this formula, we will determine the position of a point with respect to a circle. We learned that the length of a tangent can be given by this formula d equals square root of x naught squared plus y naught squared plus 2gx naught plus 2fy naught plus c. Notice that this length d is positive when the point is outside the circle. So our first conclusion is that when x naught squared plus y naught squared plus 2gx naught plus 2fy naught plus c is greater than 0, then the point P naught is outside the circle. When this distance d decreases, the point becomes closer to the circle. So when d equals 0, the point P naught lies on the circumference of the circle. So our second conclusion is that when x naught squared plus y naught squared plus 2gx naught plus 2fy naught plus c equals 0, P naught is on the circumference of the circle. So what happens if d is less than 0? You must realize that there is no such thing as negative distance. Therefore, distance d can never be less than 0. However, if we get a value where x naught squared plus y naught squared plus 2gx naught plus 2fy naught plus c is less than 0, this means that d does not exist and the point P naught lies inside the circle. So that is how we determine the position of a point with respect to a circle using the length of a tangent. Let's try out an example. Here we have to determine the position of the point P naught 2, 1 relative to the circle x squared plus y squared plus 2x minus 6y plus 5 equals 0 using the length of its tangent. First, we need to find the value of g and f of this circle. So from this equation, we can see that the coefficient of x is equal to 2. So 2 is equal to 2g. Therefore, g is equal to 1. And the coefficient of y is equal to minus 6. So minus 6 equals 2f. Therefore, f is equal to minus 3. So x naught squared plus y naught squared plus 2gx naught plus 2fy naught plus c will be equal to 2 squared plus 1 squared plus 2 into 1 into 2 plus 2 into minus 3 into 1 plus 5. That is equal to 8. Now 8 is greater than 0. So this means that the length of the tangent d exists. So the point P naught lies outside the circle. Now for the tip of the day. We have learned two ways to find the position of a point with respect to a circle. Number 1, by comparing the lengths of the point from the center and the radius. Number 2, by using the length of a tangent. Out of these two ways, I recommend you to use the second method since it can be done quickly and there is less room for error, unlike the first method since you have to calculate the radius and then compare. However, both methods can be used in your exams unless it is mentioned otherwise. With that, we wrap up this video. Let me know in the comments below on which method you prefer using. Until next time, take care.